I request Chief Executive Officer Dr. Shivkumar Raya to address the gathering.
Good morning to all of you. At the outset, I seek the blessings of His Holiness Dr. Shri Shivkumar Swamiji and submit my reverential pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness Shri Siddhalinga Swamiji, our revered President, Chief Guest of this inaugural function, respected P.B. Kottur, Head Global Freshers Engagement Program, Wipro Technologies Bangalore, who is also our friend, philosopher and guide, and Shri T.K. Nanjundappa, Secretary, Shri Siddhalinga Education Society, Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, President of this function and our respected Director, Dr. K.P. Shivananda, our Principal, Heads of Departments, and our first year students and their respected parents and invitees. Now at the outset, I express my profound gratitude to P.B. Kottur for accepting our invitation, and he is with us today and he has already delivered the inaugural address. Now he is a busy person. He goes to institutions only on Saturdays and Sundays because he never goes to any institutions during weekdays. Today, actually you should have been there in his company because there is a training program starting today for 500 IIT graduates appointed to Wipro. Actually, he used to give the introductory presentation to those graduates appointed. In spite of his busy schedule, because of his commitment to SIT, and he is a great devotee of the Mutt and Swamiji, he is with us. Once again, I offer my profound gratitude to you, sir. P.B. Kottur and also our respected secretary has already given a lot of information to you, and our respected director and Swamiji will also give you valuable inputs later. Therefore, there should not be much repetitions. But our secretary has mentioned that we have excellent infrastructure and also committed faculty members. Now, I thank our management wholeheartedly for the magnanimous support for providing us excellent infrastructure. That is, SIT can boast of excellent infrastructure. Whatever the request we take to the management has never said no, and we used to get approval for all our proposals. Now, as far as faculty is concerned, that is, our management has introduced a scheme of deputing teachers for PhD. In 1991, this scheme was introduced. At that time, there were only 3-4 faculty members with PhD degree. Now we have 128 faculty members with PhD degree, and another 60 plus are in the pipeline. Now 16 departments are recognized as PhD centers by Visvesvaraya Technological University. Already 73 research scholars pursued research in our centers have received doctorate degree, and another 190 research scholars are pursuing for their PhD degree in our research centers. Now, our faculty members have carried out sponsored projects from reputed funding organizations such as DST, DRDO, VGST government, and BARC ISRO projects. Now, they have also published good number of publications. We have 1,035 publications from our faculty members with 4,035 citations, and our H-index is 30. Now, for all this, I should gratefully acknowledge the support given by our management, headed by Dr. Shri Shivkumar Swamiji and now Shri Siddhalinga Swamiji. Now, Professor Kottur has mentioned that is, you have come from pre-university to university level now. That is true. You are here because of your past hard work. You have worked hard in your plus 2 and you have secured a seat for engineering in SIT. Now, SIT is a premier institution. As mentioned by the principal, it is consistently ranked among the top 100 engineering colleges in the country. There is a consistency in this ranking. Now, you have taken the admission in this premier institution. Now, because of your past actions and your hard work during your plus 2 classes, now you will have to work hard for these 4 years and you will have to fly out with, you should leave the portals of this college with flying colors. Now, therefore, on this occasion, I appeal to all of you to follow the calendar of events of the college religiously, because one of our senior students mentioned that is our calendar of events is fixed even for next year, graduation day, and also this welcome function, the dates are fixed. Even the examination, announcement of results, everything will go as per the calendar of events. Now, therefore, I appeal to all the students to adhere to the schedule mentioned in the calendar of events and attend all the classes and study well, and you will leave the portals of this institute after 4 years with job also. Now, I have an appeal to the parents. Now, whenever there is a request, please do come, and even without request also, you are welcome to visit frequently and see the progress of your ward. You meet the proctors and also the professors and get the first-hand information about the progress of your wards, and also don't give too much pocket money for your wards, because there will be distraction if lot of money is there. Now, on this occasion, I wish all the best for our newcomers and also the parents in their future endeavors. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.